Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Tom. How are you today?
Hi, Alice. I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am good too. I am happy to see you. I heard you went camping last week. Is that true?
Yes, that is true. I went camping in the Amazon rainforest. It was an amazing trip.
Wow, the Amazon. That sounds very exciting. I have many questions about your camping trip.
I am happy to answer your questions. I loved the trip and saw many interesting things.
First, when did you go camping in the Amazon?
I went camping last week from Monday to Friday.
That is a long time. Did you go with your family or with friends?
I went with 3 friends, Mike, Sarah, and John.
That is nice. How did you get to the Amazon?
We took a bus from our city to a small town near the Amazon. Then we took a boat to our camping area.
A boat. That sounds fun. What was the camping area like?
The camping area was very beautiful. There were tall trees, a small river, and many birds. It was very quiet and peaceful.
Did you sleep in a tent?
Yes, we set up a tent next to the river. At night, we could hear the sounds of nature, the water, the wind, and the birds.
That sounds very relaxing. What did you do during the day?
During the day, we hiked in the forest, went swimming in the river, and looked for animals. We saw monkeys, colorful birds, and even a small snake.
A snake? That sounds scary. Was it dangerous?
No, it was not dangerous. It was a small snake and it quickly went away. Most animals were friendly and very interesting to watch.
Did you take pictures of the animals?
Yes, I took many pictures with my camera. I also took pictures of the beautiful trees and flowers.
I would love to see your pictures. Did you also have fun with your friends?
Yes, we had a lot of fun. We played games, told stories, and cooked simple food together. At night, we sat by the fire and talked.
That sounds very nice. I like camping because it is a good time to relax and be with friends.
I agree. Camping in the Amazon was a great adventure. I felt very happy and free.
What did you eat while you were camping?
We brought some simple food like bread, fruit, and snacks. We also cooked rice and beans on a small fire. The food was very good because we cooked it ourselves.
That is interesting. I like simple food when I camp. It tastes better in nature.
Yes, when you are outside, even simple food can be very delicious.
Did you do any fishing or hunting?
No, we did not go fishing or hunting. We wanted to enjoy nature and not disturb the animals. We just watched them from a distance.
That is a good idea. It is important to respect nature. Did you learn anything new during your trip?
Yes, I learned a lot about the Amazon rainforest. I learned about different plants, trees, and animals. I also learned how to make a fire and set up a tent.
That is great. Camping is a good way to learn new skills.
I also learned that we must keep nature clean. We always picked up our trash and left the place as we found it.
I am happy to hear that. It is very important to protect the environment.
Yes, we must take care of our planet. I want to go camping again and visit more natural places.
I would like to join you next time. I have never been to the Amazon, but I want to see it.
You are welcome to join us. We can plan a new trip together.
That would be very fun. I like the idea of hiking, swimming, and seeing animals in the wild.
It is a great adventure. I feel very lucky to have a chance to visit such a beautiful place.
Do you think camping in the Amazon is easy or hard?
I think it is a little hard because you have to walk a lot and carry your things, but it is also very rewarding. The beauty of nature makes the effort worth it.
I agree. Sometimes hard work makes the fun even better. I remember when I camped in a small forest near my city. We had to walk a long way to our campsite, but the view was amazing.
Yes, the exercise is good too. Hiking makes you feel healthy and strong.
I feel very happy when I am in nature. It is a good way to relax and forget about daily stress.
I feel the same. When I was in the Amazon, I forgot about my work and my phone. I just enjoyed the moment.
That is very important. Sometimes we need to disconnect from technology and reconnect with nature.
Exactly. I want to go camping more often. Maybe next time we can visit a different part of the Amazon or even another national park.
That is a good idea. I also want to explore new places. I heard there are many beautiful waterfalls and quiet lakes in the Amazon.
Yes, there are many places to see. We can plan our next trip together and visit those waterfalls.
I am very excited about that. Thank you for sharing your camping experience with me, Tom. I learned a lot and I feel inspired to go camping again.
You are welcome, Alice. I am happy to share my adventure. I hope you join me on my next trip.
I would love to join you. Let's plan our next camping trip soon.
Yes, let's do that. I will show you my pictures and tell you more stories about the Amazon.
I can't wait to see the pictures. I am sure they are very beautiful.
They are. I took many photos of the trees, the river, and the animals. I also took a video of our campfire at night.
That sounds amazing. I love watching videos of nature. It makes me feel calm and happy.
I will send you the pictures and videos by email. You can also show them to your family and friends.
Thank you, Tom. I appreciate that. I hope more people will visit the Amazon and learn to love nature.
Yes, I hope so too. The Amazon is a special place, and we must protect it.
I agree. Let's always remember to keep nature clean and respect all living things.
Absolutely. Our camping trip was not only fun, but also a good lesson about nature and friendship.
I feel very lucky to have a friend like you who loves nature and adventure.
I feel lucky too, Alice. Thank you for your kind words. I am looking forward to our next camping trip.
Me too, Tom. Let's plan it soon. Maybe in a few months when the weather is good again.
That is a great idea. I will check my calendar and we can choose a date. I am excited to explore new places with you.
I am excited too. I know we will have many more adventures together. Thank you again for sharing your camping experience. It was very interesting and inspiring.
You are welcome, Alice. I am happy to talk about my trip. I hope our conversation helps many people learn English and love nature.
I agree. Talking about our experiences makes learning English fun and easy.
Yes, and it also helps us remember the good times we had.
I will practice my English by telling my family about your camping trip. I will say, last week, Tom went camping in the Amazon. He saw many animals and beautiful trees.
That is a good sentence, Alice. You are a great learner.
Thank you, Tom. I try my best. I hope we can have more conversations like this in the future.
I hope so too. Maybe next time we can talk about our favorite camping foods or the best camping equipment.
That is a great idea. I have many questions about camping gear and cooking in the wild.
I can share my tips and you can share your ideas. We can learn from each other.
I look forward to our next conversation. Thank you for your time today, Tom. I enjoyed talking with you about your camping trip.
Thank you, Alice. I enjoyed our talk very much. See you soon, and let's plan our next adventure together.
Yes. See you soon, Tom. I will check my email for your pictures, and I will call you to plan our next trip. Have a great day.
Have a great day too, Alice. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, Tom.
Great job! Do you want to practice your English and become more fluent? Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our free English conversations. See you in the next video.